Alright, looking inside of a Ford Jubilee NAA 1953 hydraulic cylinder. My earlier video, you can see the piston had a pretty good little scratch on it. So I took it apart. I didn't remember seeing any major scratches, but the question became, how did the cylinder look? So I'm doing some hydraulic work earlier and trying to shoot a video of it to show you. The cylinder actually looks pretty clean. A little bit of dirt and stuff. I was working on it yesterday and I was disgusting with fluids and was not about to try to shoot a video, but covered in gear oil and other lubricants. Anyway, cylinder wall looks pretty good.